It was really interesting too. You brought up the idea of, is this replacement equipment or is this a brand new facility? So does that bring you into the world of commissioning companies as well?
Yep, of course, and it's also important to make, as you said, the contact person. Of course, it's important to know if it's infrastructure, site manager, whatever. But it's also important to know that you need to go from one to another, which means that if I go in the discussions with one person, perhaps he's not the 100%, call it the good contact person. I also had to go later to go further and to find even other persons, because the needs could be different. The site manager, he's worrying about his budget, but perhaps the logistic manager is really wants to have something with a return on investment on how to move things. So it's very important not to just knock on the door, try to make it one shot. There are a lot of things to do, but you have to adapt your way of doing things, the products, and also the strategy, of course.